Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to enable create Excel files in Sheets. So you might want to create your Sheets and want to make it in the order so that it creates Excel files. So this is the video where I will teach you how you can do that. You can check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So for that, you need to open up your Sheets app. You have to click on this three bars, then go to settings. After going to setting, in the document creation you will show an option of create Excel files. You just need to enable it. So there you go. If you wanted to know how to enable create Excel files in Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, you can comment down below in the comment section, and be sure to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.